One of the biggest lies in the 21st century. You know, say there is a world under the water. Somebody even tell me in my comment section, say, when the demons were falling, some of them fall inside water. They be like, say the earth, they hot them, so they need to cool inside water. What are they doing inside water? The demons are not to fight animals. They should be fighting human beings. So what are they doing inside water? We are 9 billion people on earth. And the percentage of the land 9 billion people are occupying are just 30%. We have 70% of water occupying the whole mass of the earth. What are the demons and the spirit doing inside water? Is human being living there? In everyday contact with the water, highest number of human beings that can make contact with water in a day will be maybe 50 or 100 million, if it's too much, depending on the occasion. You can, in fact, I'm even overestimating it. You can never get up to 100 million people in a day to the water. So how many of them are dying on daily on water? So what are the demons doing in the water if you believe there's a demon in the water? But you see, we believe lies in Africa more than the truth. Even Afghanistan that recently chased the Americans away, we call an Islamic nation, are already building water. Man-made water, man-made river. But here in Africa, we are still believing there's a spirit in the water. Man-made canal are being made by Afghanistan. Watch the video and see what I'm talking about. See, the animals are in the sea. People are going there doing exploits. But here, when you see water, people are banding and shouting. You are doing concussion, you are pouring Fanta, say you are serving juju. Why will we progress when we are not ready to exploit what is given to us in nature? There is a Zuma rock in Abuja here. If you go there, you hear different stories saying a human face he carry. The first man a woman will go there, the Zuma rock swallow them. Nobody can climb it. Water they fall, you go. So many lies we believe in. If it's in abroad, white men would have climbed it and be using it for what they call just to break Guinness Book of Records, climbing with bare hands. How can we give ourselves employment? See, thousands of people are working in this canal, according to the documentary. It brings job. Yeah, because we are afraid of water, how can we create jobs? Tell me now, say they sacrifice before they build that river. Because when I believe say they must sacrifice before they build the bridge. Do the Afghanistan sacrifice before they start building the canal? A man-made river that has 200 and something kilometers length coming from the sea. Tell me how many people they sacrifice, how many chickens they kill before they build the river. We are just believing lies, and I keep telling people that these things are not feasible. There is no spiritual power anywhere in the water. I'm out of here, John.
In this video, I have prepared for you the complete documentary of the largest artificial river project on the AMU Sea in northern Afghanistan. Stay tuned until the end of this video. It will be 285 kilometers long, 152 meters wide, and 8.5 meters deep from Kaldar district of Balkh province to Ankoy district of Faryab province. The first phase was completed 6 months ahead of schedule, a task that was almost impossible due to the challenges and difficulties ahead. The biggest problem was the scorching heat of the plains of Haratan.